What is up, guys? It is Real Tactical here, and today I am going to be making my own server on this world right here. So, what I'm going to be doing on this server is I might be doing like PvP. If y'all want, I'm actually make a series of this with me making my own servers, and after a while I'm going to show all of them that I made. So, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash it, and yeah, so let's start with the video. So to build this PvP map server, I already have the server set up. So right now people are join, but I put it private right now. So I'm gonna get some blocks. Like, to make it, I'm gonna make a big dome for it. I'll talk to you when I get all my stuff that I need. There we go. Okay, so I'll be back when I finish the outline. So guys, I could not get the outroom done because I had to do something real quick. But now I'm back and I'm getting the outroom done of the whatever it's called. I forgot. And so people could walk through it, and it's looking good right now. I might do the top with like diamond outline and with a center of stained glass. So let's get. If you want me to do more of these, please like all my videos. And thank you, and please tell your friends about my channel, and please subscribe. That looks horrible, but I can fix it like that. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Now I'm gonna do this outline with some diamond and glass. And maybe later on, you guys can see me do a video with one of my friends. One of my friends, named Tryhard, and my other friend, Blue Elixir. So yeah, check those videos out. And I'm just trying to finish the pillars, and I'm gonna get diamonds. So get some diamonds. Gotta break all these. There, got that done. Now I'll see you guys when I get all across. Okay, so guys, I just finished the outline of everything. Now all I gotta do is the stained glass, which I can stand here for this. I'm gonna search. No, what I'll do is go down. I don't know. I think I should put I'm gonna put red. I'm gonna get red. Oh, wrong thing. So guys, see you guys when this. So guys, this is how it turned out for the warp. hub warp, and I'm gonna kill some. So yeah, that's how it's gonna work with the hub warp. And now I'm just gonna get onto the isle and then build a big dome for me. So yeah, so okay, so this is how it turned out. Now it's for the isle. Okay, just build the isle now. Now we're gonna build the isle like that. Oh, yeah. Okay, there. Okay, so this is how the isle's gonna be. I'm gonna actually put some glass like that around it, like that. And if you guys are wondering why I put in most of this stuff red, because my favorite color is red. So then I'm gonna put some chests here, and I'm gonna put a warp sign actually. Kill warp, because I forgot how to do warps. Chest. So, okay, so one for one. Oh, keep on doing it. So guys, that is the video on how to make a server hub setup, which just turned out pretty nice. Oh, turned out pretty nice. Maybe I'll use this. Let's use the glass. Maybe I'll use this thing one time maybe to make it a server actually. So if you guys want me to make a server, make sure we can hit 20 likes, and if we hit 20 likes, I will make this whole thing a server. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye YouTube.